Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Kabaka Pyramid's first album, Contraband, made its debut on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart at number 3. The project, which consists of 16 tracks, was released on May 25 and sold 551 copies in the first week. Contraband features collaborations with Damian Marley, Pressure Busspipe, Natalie Rise, Chronix, Protege Akon and Stoneboy. The official video for the title track of the album was released by Bebel Rock Music and Ghetto Youths International yesterday. The video was shot in the desert of California and shows both Damian Marley and Kabaka Pyramid being removed from their tour bus in search of contraband. Throughout the video, the officers searched the artist to find a possible forbidden substance, but instead find CDs. Kabaka recently wrapped up his West Coast US spring promotional tour, where he made stops in Austin, LA, Oakland, just to name a few. The artist is now gearing up for a free concert dubbed Summer Stage 2018 that will be held in New York. The concert will also feature appearances from Barrington Levy, Third World and Federation Sound, among others. Summer Stage is slated for July 8. Now, 2018 marks the 25th anniversary of the iconic compilation series Reggae Gold. This milestone will be celebrated with a throwback mixtape by the legendary Rory Stonelove. The mixtape will be featuring classic reggae jams from the likes of Maxi Priest, Capleton, Buju Banton, Beres Hammond and so much more from Reggae Gold albums back in the 1990s. 1993 marked the first year in the series, and it has since solidified its place of importance in the culture, being the premier compilation album for the latest and best reggae and dancehall each year. Reggae Gold 2018's exclusive lead track is Easy to Love You remix by VP Records' newly signed artist Cullen, which features dancehall artist Conscience. Other exclusives include Better by singer Estelle and Jamil's flirty single You, Risk It All by Jacure featuring Felicia Ross, Beres Hammond's I'm Alive, Remain Virgo Still, Christopher Martin's Come Back and Janine's Love Has Found I, among others. Veteran DJ Buju Banton recently released his greatest hits compilation. The project consists of 24 tracks and was recently released by Massive B Records. Better Than Them, Boom Wadis, Westmoreland Sensi, Washington Session, Gangsta Paradise, Settle Yourself are among the tracks that are featured on the project. The greatest hits package also features a new track, Chemist in a This. American electronic dance music trio Major Lazer and dancehall artist Busy Signal, they've collaborated on Jump, is featured in a new Bacardi TV ad that is currently in rotation in the US on NBC TV and other mainstream platforms.
Low to the top non-stop, place a mash up when the tune them drop. Turn it up low to the top non-stop, tap, tap, tap.
Jump was released last year and is featured on Major Lazer's 6-track EP, Know You Better. This is not the first time that Busy Signal and Major Lazer's collective efforts have resulted in a TV ad. Their EDM hit, Watch Out For This, Boomaye, was selected as the soundtrack for Pepsi's Lionel Messi ad. The song appeared on Major Lazer's second album, Free the Universe, and was a massive hit single in several European countries. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.